If you are interested in HR technology, recruiting tools, productivity software, you are new to Ashby ATS and wondering how to use its analytics, interview scheduling, and CRM features, you are in the right place because in today's video, we will walk you through the essentials of Ashby so you can streamline your hiring process, save time, and make smarter recruiting decisions. So whether you're a recruiter, hiring manager, talent acquisition specialist, or HR professional, this tutorial will give you a solid foundation for using Ashby effectively. Let's begin. Ashby ATS is an all-in-one recruiting platform designed to help companies manage hiring. From sourcing candidates and scheduling interviews to analytics and reporting all in one place. One of the first things you will notice when you visit the Ashby website, www.ashbyhq.com, is that its clean and intuitive layout. The navigation menus makes it easy to find exactly what you are looking for without feeling overwhelmed. And if you are interested in pricing, simply click on the pricing menu because Ashby clearly lays out its plans, making it easier to decide whether you need the complete all-in-one recruiting platform or just the essentials based on your company's goals, hiring needs, and budget. Ashby makes it easy to understand its offerings right from the homepage, whether you're a startup, a fast-growing company, or a large enterprise. You can quickly find the plan that best fits your hiring strategy and budget. But the thing is, Ashby as of the moment doesn't offer a free trial. Instead, you can simply click the Get in Touch so that you can talk with the sales team if you wanted a customized quote depending on your business goals, needs, and budget. And of course, they will be more than glad to schedule a demo. But if you still wanted to know more about Ashby without doing all these, it's okay. We're gonna go back to the main homepage because Ashby offers different platforms, but today our focus is on their applicant tracking system, which is gonna be the ATS. It's designed to streamline the hiring process, drive recruiting progress, and deliver greater efficiency at every stage. From sourcing candidates to hiring the right talent, throughout this presentation, we will explore how Ashby's ATS helps recruiting teams work smarter, collaborate more effectively, and make faster data-driven hiring decisions. Now let's begin with the job setup. This is where you create and configure an open position before candidates start applying. You can define everything about the job and how it should behave in the ATS. So you can create a new job opening, you can select a job template, or you can reuse settings from similar roles, setting the job title, department, location, and employment type. You can assign hiring managers and recruiters. You can choose which interview plan the job will use. You can configure application forms and required questions. You can set permissions for who can view or edit the job. And you can publish the job to your career page or job boards. For example, if you wanted to hire a senior software engineer, in the job setup, you can use the engineering template, assign maybe someone like Jane as hiring manager, and set the location to remote or US, and attach the engineering interview plan and publish the jobs. All right. And after that is going to be the interview plans. This is where you define the sequence of interviews and evaluations candidates go through. An interview plan acts like a blueprint for evaluating candidates consistently. All right. For example, if you wanted to hire a software engineer, you have the recruiter screen, hiring manager, and then the final interview, helping you each candidate to receive a similar evaluation. And then you have the activity automation and templating. This feature is very powerful because it can automate repetitive recruiting tasks and standardize communication. Instead of manually sending emails or scheduling actions every time, you create reusable automations. For example, if you wanted to automate emails when a candidate moves to a stage, you can simply send interview invitation, or you can send rejection email, or you can send offer information and then send the next steps. All right. For example, a candidate reaches the final interview, it automatically emails them coding exercises and instructions. And then after that is going to be the Application review with AI assistance. This is the stage where recruiters and hiring managers review incoming applications with AI, helping to make the process faster and more organized. For example, instead of reading 200 resumes from scratch, the recruiter sees an AI generated summary like 7 years of backend engineering, Python, AWS, previously worked at maybe two companies or missing direct experience with a specific platform or software, and then the recruiter can quickly decide whether to move or go forward with the candidate. All right, which is a very powerful tool. And then you have the visual pipeline. This is essentially a visual dashboard that shows every candidate is in the hiring process. So think of it like a Kanban board with stages such as applied, recruiter screens, maybe hired, rejected, or offer. So it's useful so that you can see how many candidates are at each stage. You can identify hiring bottlenecks and know which candidates need action next. And you can also track multiple open positions at once. For example, you can check 120 applied or a 35 recruiter screen, and you have a technical interview and 2 job offers. This immediately shows where candidates are accumulating and whether interviews are keeping up. And then finally, you have the briefing views. This is a customized page that prepares interviewers before they meet a candidate. It gathers everything an interviewer needs in one place. For example, you have the candidate resume, job description, previous interview feedback, interview objectives, notes from the recruiter, and of course, a feedback form to complete afterward. It's useful because every interviewer knows what to focus on. Feedback is more consistent across interviewers less time to spend for searching for information, and hiring decisions become easier because everyone evaluates candidates using similar criteria. For example, a technical interviewer opens the briefing and sees the candidate background, and of course, it helps ensure interviews are organized, focused, and comparable across candidates. And finally, you have the job boards and postings. This helps you publish job openings and manage how candidates apply. It's useful because it creates a smoother candidate experience. It helps recruiters manage application volume. It supports compliance with salary transparency laws. It prevents applications after hiring timelines have ended. And then you have the approve, send, and sign. It manages the job offer process from internal approval to candidate acceptance. It also offers the documents like NDAs, contracts, and interview schedules. It's useful because it prevents unauthorized offers, it speeds up approvals, and it keeps signed documents organized in one system. And then you have the customizable surveys. It allows you to collect feedback from candidates about their hiring experience. For example, you can get or rate your interview experience. You can check if the communication timeline was inappropriate and things that we can approve during the interview process. It's useful because it improves the candidate experience, identifies any bottlenecks or communication issues, and provides measurable recruiting quality metrics. Having said all of that, while we weren't able to explore the actual dashboard or demonstrate the platform hands-on, that wraps up our beginner's overview of Ashby ATS, or the analytics, scheduling, and CRM software. Even so, we were able to thoroughly explore Ashby's official website, documentation, and product pages to understand what the platform offers. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.